GloriaFood is shutting down and the deadline is closer than it feels. If your restaurant still depends on it, now is the right time to plan your move. Your online ordering system runs more than your menu. It connects orders, delivery, QR codes, payments, and customer data. If you delay the move, the migration can get complicated quickly. So, what comes after GloriaFood? Let's compare 5 alternatives and see which one best fits your restaurant. First, let's look at Foodiv. It helps restaurants take direct website orders, manage QR ordering, handle pickup and delivery, accept payments, and keep customer data in their own hands. Next, Hyperzod is a better fit for delivery-heavy food businesses. It works well for cloud kitchens, food delivery startups, multi-vendor ordering, and restaurant groups that need stronger delivery management. Next, Flipdish is a strong choice for restaurants that want branded ordering through their own website or mobile app. It works well for brands focused on repeat orders, customer loyalty, and a more controlled ordering experience. Next, ChowNow is a strong option for independent restaurants in the United States. It helps restaurants take direct online orders while reducing dependence on marketplace-style commission models. Next, CloudWaitress is a simple option for cafes, takeaway shops, and small restaurants that need online ordering without a heavy or complex setup. So, which platform should restaurants look at first? If you want a practical GloriaFood replacement with direct ordering, QR ordering, pickup, delivery, menu control, and migration support, Foodiv is a smart place to start. Don't leave the move too late. Switch early, keep orders flowing, and keep your customer relationships in your hands.